girl.
Oh, thank you. Here we go. Oh, good job. That's a strong girl. Yeah, here you go. Oh, yeah, use two hands. There you go. Very good. Thank you. Oh, there you go. All right. Oh, thank you. Yeah. You're doing so good. Let's open this a little bit more. There we go. Can you hand it to me? Yeah. Oh, one-handed. Very nice. Mm-hmm. Here. Can you help me? Can you give it to me? Yeah. Is there any more? Oh, that one? Yeah, that'd be good. Oh, thank you. Oh, you got it most of the way there.
McKenna? Hey! Oh, what are you doing? Are you helping Dad? Yeah? All done?
More? Yeah, need more? Two at a time? You can try to do two at a time? Oh, very good. Thank you. Yeah, more? Oh, thank you.
Big helper.
That's right. More?